Well, here we are. We got some help today. We're doing a basement repair. Why don't you guys see what we're going on here? Here, watch. Mark, you down there? Oh, they're not. Oh, they did. They're over yonder.
Hello guys, so today we've got a new guest. You know, I've seen this face around here before, maybe once, very briefly. This is Greg Heiner. What do we know Hello!
It was a day just like today. This very same spot almost took the life of a single soul. Looked just like me.
Alright, coming up.
Make her pack all the heavy ones. Needs to work out. Of course, somebody drives by seeing you carry the heavy shit. We're standing here filming and shit. Alright, Rebecca, it's ready for you. I'm just kidding. I got it.
I'm stealing.
Golly.
Yeah, right.
You got fucking mom? Let's do that.
Yeah, damn.
That'd be a man trouble, dude.
Where were you, Rebecca?
Oh,
That's
shell for
heavy.
you.
Heiner? It puts the lotion on the skin or it doesn't get lunch.
What are you guys doing?
I'm trying to take a nap, but you won't let us. Not together.
Almost got it. Oh yeah, jeez. Gimme.
Yep.
Fucking world's fastest sawzall.
Kinda did not work as planned. It looked scary, guys. It was not.
My 8th screw and now he's here to help. little bit lower, like a 1/4 inch lower.
Show us the mark you're going with. Oh,
Right there. I like it.
What do you like?
This takes a real fucking expert.
Oh yeah.
All that poop.
Now you want to.
You guys go. Bathroom? Put them up or what?